Bananas are delicious, and because of their potassium content, they're also good for fighting fluid retention and inflammation. By combining them with fat-burning foods like flaxseed and spinach, you can create incredible recipes that will give you energy and help you lose weight in a healthy way. Why eat bananas? Bananas contain up to 450 milligrams of potassium, a necessary mineral to help the body remove excess fluid. They also contain natural sugars like fructose, saccharose, and glucose that provide the body with natural energy while helping you to feel fuller and avoid overeating. Bananas contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which the body uses to build proteins. It also stimulates the release of serotonin, an important neurotransmitter in the nervous system and a precursor to melatonin, an important hormone in the sleep cycle. Banana smoothies for weight loss. By combining bananas with foods like wild berries, flaxseed and spinach, you can create fat-burning smoothies that will help you achieve better results in your weight loss diet. Banana smoothie with flaxseed. This delicious banana smoothie with flaxseed will help you feel more satisfied, fight fluid retention and improve digestion. Ingredients: the juice of 1 orange, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons buttermilk, 2 tablespoons flaxseed. Directions: add everything to a blender and blend until completely mixed. For best results, drink this as a meal replacement for breakfast. Banana berry smoothie. This delicious smoothie nourishes your body with important antioxidants and other essential nutrients to improve your health and help you lose weight. Its ingredients will decrease your appetite and stop you from eating extra calories during the day. In addition, it's great for fighting fluid retention and avoiding constipation. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 banana, 1/2 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 cuban paste of blueberries, blackberries or raspberries. Directions: add everything to the blender and blend until smooth. Drink this refreshing smoothie at breakfast or as a substitute for breakfast. If you like, drink it 45 minutes before eating your meal. Despite the common misconception that bananas are fattening, it's worth noting that a 3.5 ounces serving contains just 100 calories. Although not necessarily low in calories, their most important benefit is that they're filling, which can help you avoid snacking between meals. Bananas are a good source of vitamins A, B, and C and minerals like iron, copper, magnesium, calcium, zinc and potassium. They also contain pectin and fiber, which improve intestinal transit, promote digestion and can help prevent gastritis and treat intestinal ulcers.
Thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.